it's the season of the year, Halloween time. Today we're gonna be unboxing the new fire demon from Spirit Halloween, and we got a little pocket pal, Moosey Boy. He's new to our channel because we adopted him not that long ago. But yeah, he's gonna be joining us today.
Yep, everything she said. So this is Matt with Grand Ventures. Every year we've been picking up a new animatronic, and we recently visited the Spirit Halloween store, and we were kind of mulling over to see what we wanted, but we got a good deal on this guy. This is the Fire Demon. Now, we're in the Seattle area. It rains a lot, so we needed something that was outdoor rated. This guy's definitely that, so we're going to unbox it, put it together. Hopefully it's not too difficult. In years past, we had the spooky pumpkin, scarecrow, as well as the werewolf, and that guy is a bear to put together a lot of parts. And introducing, let me show you the cutest pumpkin out there. He's shaking off. Oh, let's look here. This is a new addition to the Graham household. This is Moose. He's a rescue, and isn't he sure cute? And we put him in his pumpkin outfit. He's very, very festive today. So we hope you join us as we build this. Moose, what do you think about Halloween? Now, this is going to be his first Halloween. He's just about a year old. Hi, are you too cute? He likes his outfit. He doesn't normally like his harness on. Oh, look at him go. Look at him go. Aren't you cute? And he's already rolled around and got a bunch of yard stuff in it. But this is the demon. The fire demon, as you can see there, his mouth moves, his head lifts, and arms open to reveal a demon face. And what I liked in the store is, yeah, his chest area, as well as his head is all fiery. So this stands 6 foot 10 inches tall. That's pretty tall, durable, outdoor rated. So let's open up this guy. Now, one thing I noticed, this box is quite a lot more compact than some our other animatronics. Oh, and there might even be Ask the Zombie Tech Squad. So if you have an issue, you can talk to their Zombie Tech Squad. So we'll pull this out of the box and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we pulled it out, and let's take a look what we got inside. It looks like it's got a pretty heavy robe. It's got instructions on here. That weighs a lot. And here's all, looks like we have the chest piece. Ooh. And then got a horn. Got a set of spooky hands. Now, hopefully Moose won't be too disturbed by this thing. He's a little jumpy. And if we take a look, oh, this is probably the head. You want to help me with that?
Okay. And guys, make sure to be careful of handling this thing because some of the pieces might be heavy and you might drop it. And some of the pieces might break like the wire. So be careful, guys.
Okay, and that's the head. Dun, dun, dun. That's pretty cool looking. And then it has the other horn, and then it's got, looks like a light that lights up, as well as the stand, and it's got a lot of electronics and such. It looks like a little bit more than some of the other ones. So we're gonna put this together, and I'm excited. But that's what we're working with so far. Those are basically the legs and the superstructure. Not super heavy compared to the other two animatronics, the werewolf and the scarecrow, but I think it'll be just fine. So we're gonna continue on. So far he's kind of in a little bit of a profile angle there, but we got the head on, the shoulders on, and it looks like he's got multiple layers of robes, which is pretty cool. So, and it just attaches with hook and loop / Velcro. So far so good. Okay, you can see I was struggling there a little bit. The reason being is they actually gave us 3 different front cloaks. I don't know if that was a mistake in packaging or what have you. I thought those were for the arms. Turns out it's a front cloak. And so as a result, I didn't feed the arms through, so I'm gonna do that now. But it's getting awful close, but there's always repositioning, readjusting as you do these over the years. I seem to get better at them. First time's a little rough. So far, I'm struggling a little bit. One of the wires, I'm trying to trace where it is, and now it's all dark back there with the thing. Also, the robes are a little wonky. The instructions are only so good, so I'm still figuring out. So it looks simple enough, not so simple. Well, there it is. I did struggle a little bit with this cloak. Not a big deal though, just because they gave me extra pieces inside there. But it's got the rib cage. There's the head. Let me show you the electronics in the back. So that's what the electronics look like. I was struggling to find the other one of those white cords, but that goes to the light up front there and it was kind of dangling. But there's different modes. This is powered by AC voltage. It's got volume control off and on. And it does have a motion sensor. Let me show you that. So it's kind of an unconventional location for the motion sensor. It seems to be in the left sleeve here. So I don't know if I got to move these at all so that it points out. But the other ones, animatronics we have, it was like somewhere mid-chest. So I don't know if that's more effective there, being on that side. But what I'd like to do is when it's still light out here, to plug it in, activate it, show you what it looks like. And then once we get our entire display, we'll show you everything we got going on, and we'll show you this guy in action at nighttime when it is spooky. Okay, it is plugged in, and we're gonna try out the motion sensor. Hopefully there's not, oh, I guess it's pretty sensitive. I was gonna have this one get jump scared.
Come close and warm yourself with the flames of my corrupted soul.
That's pretty cool.
So, this is not all that this guy says. He has 5 different sayings.
Nice. So let's walk, oh, there we go. Okay, go stand next to it so we can see how tall you are compared. So it's 6'10", I think, for this guy, almost 7 foot. Oh, he's putting his arm around you. He's giving you a big hug. Okay, come over here. What do you think of this guy?
He's good and he loves free hugs.
He does love free hugs. What do you like better? Do you like the werewolf?
I like this guy better.
You like this guy better? You think he's creepier than the werewolf or the scarecrow?
I don't know. The
You don't
werewolf basically just howls.
Yeah.
But this guy is the weirdest.
So Everly and I just finished building this animatronic, the fire demon. I don't want to say it's the most difficult one we've did, and now he's butting in. But the cloak and everything was a little wonky, getting everything together. I'm sure as we do it more and more, it'll get easier. The werewolf we have was much more difficult. But I really like this guy. He's pretty awesome. So check this out at Spirit Halloween. I know they had a 10% off coupon, and that's how we picked this guy up. But we hope you like this type of content. If you do, give us a big thumbs up, and make sure and
make sure to like and subscribe when this guy wants to say something to me.
I have risen from the dark.
he's telling you to like and subscribe too.
He said make sure to smash that bell and check out our whole YouTube channel and all Halloween videos.
Yep. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't checked out our other animatronics we've built, we've done one a year for the last 3 years. And then after this short clip here, we're going to show you our entire display set up with fog machine and everything. So tune in for that right now.
Come close and warm yourself with the flames of my corrupted soul. I carry the eternal flames deep in my chest, where they will burn